Hello, I'm Jenny, virtual presenter of the Innova Plus channel. Innova Plus News, MCTI and Embrapii is on the air, bringing publications available on the internet between December 20th and 26th, 2023. But, before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel, here on YouTube. It's fast and free. Oh, you're already subscribed, so, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy and press the notification bell to stay on top of the channel's news, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's go to today's posts. First block, MCTI. News number 1, MCTI, December 20th, 2023, MCTI installs Internal Governance Committee. The Ministry of Science, Technology, and Innovation, MCTI, installed on Thursday the new Internal Governance Committee, CIG-MCTI. The committee assesses the ministry's ultimate authority in managing government policy. The CIG, led by Minister Luciana Santos and composed of secretaries and undersecretaries of the MCTI, also has presidents of related bodies. The CIG presented the 2024 to 2027 multi-annual programs, including the consolidation of the National System of Science, Technology and Innovation, ST&I for Development, Nuclear Policy, Brazilian Special Program and Innovation in Companies for New Industrialization. The MCTI is also focused on key themes for the National Reconstruction Project, such as reindustrialization and climate change agendas. The MCTI will play a significant role during Brazil's presidency of the G20. News number 2, CETEM, December 22, 2023. CETEM participates in the National Meeting for the Popularization of Science 2023. Isaias Viana Jr. represents CETEM at the National Meeting for the Popularization of Science 2023, which will be held in Brasilia DF between January 12 and 13. The event, organized by Ennio Candotti, Brazilian physiotherapist, scientist and science communicator, will feature lectures and discussions on the challenges and results of the science promotion policy in Brazil. The event will also feature discussions on the importance of promoting science and its impact on Brazilian social development. The event will be attended by coordinators of science dissemination projects and representatives of MCTI units. The Minister of Science, Technology and Innovations, Luciana Santos, and MCTI authorities also participated in the event. News number 3, Hortolândia Portal, December 26, 2023. INT 2024 Contest, Unique Opportunity with 24 Job Openings in Research and Technology. The National Institute of Technology, INT, is offering a unique opportunity with the opening of 24 job openings in research and technology. The competition, which is open until February 8, 2024, is aimed at candidates in several areas, such as biocatalysis, chemistry, product certification, engines and emissions, and evaluation engineering. The competition covers several areas such as mechanical engineering, chemistry, information technology, and quality management. The INT competition consists of 3 categories: associate professor, full technologist and junior technologist, whose objective is to provide candidates with a solid and innovative career, contributing to the technological development of the country. The deadline for applications is February 8, 2024. The competition is open to all registered participants, and the deadline for submitting applications is February 8, 2024. News number 4, CT Column, December 26, 2023. MCTI approves the creation of the National Institute of Science and Technology in Gurupi for research in the field of terrestrial ecotoxicology. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, launched the Legal Framework Portal, which provides information on instruments offered to science, technology and innovation, ICTs, agencies and companies to foster innovation and partnerships. The portal works as a sharing tool for the best use of the legal framework for innovation, facilitating collaboration with academia, but being less used. The portal was created in partnership between the MCTI, the Brazilian Institute of Information Technology, IBICT, and the National Forum of Innovation and Technology Transfer Managers, FORTEC. The MCTI aims to create an information environment that allows innovation to be developed alongside the interests of people in the country. The president of FORTEC, Gessel Sampaio, believes that the portal will help generate more successful cases with the use of the legal framework. The legal framework is a set of legislative reforms that aim to strengthen research, development, and innovation in various sectors of the economy, promoting competitiveness and sustainable development. News number 5, MCTI, December 26, 2023. MCTI executes 100% of the budget of the National Fund for Scientific and Technological Development in 2023. The Ministry of Science, Technology, and Innovation, MCTI, executed 100% of its budget for 2023, with 10 billion Brazilian reals earmarked for non-reimbursable resources and innovation credit. The fund contracted 611 innovation projects, an increase of 40% compared to the previous year. The FNDCT plans to allocate 20% more to investments in structural and innovation projects in 2024. The program also includes 1.2 billion Brazilian reals in investments in the Sirius Particle Accelerator, the Biological Laboratory, and the Brazilian Multipurpose Reactor. Orion and Sirius are biochemical laboratories that will be the first in the world connected to a synchrotron light source. The Sirius phase will involve 10 new research stations and 38 beamlines connected to NB4. The projects aim to support Brazil in strategic areas, such as monitoring and development of new diagnostic, vaccine, and treatment methods. The Brazilian Multipurpose Plant, RMB, will be the largest investment in the Brazilian nuclear area, enabling self-sufficiency in the production of radioisotopes and the development of new fuels for reactors. The CETEM program will increase the capacity for monitoring and managing the response to natural disasters. Second block, Embrapii. News number 6, MEC, December 22, 2023, universities and federal institutes receive the Embrapii Award. The Brazilian Corporation for Industrial Research and Innovation, Embrapii, received for the first time the Embrapii Unit Recognition Award. The award recognizes organizations and researchers that have played a crucial role in promoting innovation in Brazil and addressing economic and social challenges. The awards are presented in several programs, including the annual meeting of the Embrapii units, held at CETEM Lab in Brasilia. The winners were announced in Brasilia on December 13, during the annual meeting of Embrapii units. The winners were recognized for their contributions to the promotion of the organization's innovation and the fight against economic and social challenges. Embrapii also recognized the Federal Institute of Ceará, IFC, for its exceptional performance in the strategic partnership between Embrapii and the Brazilian Micro and Small Business Service, SEBRI. The award also recognized the Fluminense Federal Institute, IFFLU, for its outstanding contributions to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. News number 7, RÁDIO GUAÍBA 101.3 FM, December 22, 2023. Technology area will be highlighted at Senai-RS in 2024. The National Service for Industrial Learning, Senai-RS, approved the creation of a Hardware Competence Center for Digital Agricultural Technologies, a project aimed at the Brazilian Research and Innovation Corporation, Embrapii. The investment of 105 million Brazilian reals is expected to be completed in 2024, with the next steps being the construction and operation of the center. The center will develop new technologies and assist in the development of experts for digital agriculture. In the area of technology and innovation, Senai-RS has completed 80 projects in research, development and innovation and applied for 15 patents. In addition, 25 contracts were concluded for the Rota 2030 hands-on program. In the education sector, Senai-RS plans to expand its presence and hybrid courses, offering 14 new courses in several regions. The Senai Innovation Show has already had 36 industrial solutions, including the portable cable insulator. News number 8, CETEM, December 22, 2023, CETEM participates in the annual meeting of Embrapii units. CETEM participated in the annual meeting of Embrapii units on December 13, held at CETEM Lab in Brasilia. The event discussed topics such as Embrapii's 10th anniversary, a new model of operational excellence, high-impact projects, a new life cycle for Embrapii units, the Gloss Zero project, innovative industries, and Embrapii missions. The event was attended by the director of CETEM, Dr. Silvia Franca, the president of Embrapii, Francisco Saboya, the coordinators of the Embrapii units, Marcia Oliveira and Pedro Naritami, and the coordinator of the Embrapii unit, James Mello. News number 9, Embrapii, December 26, 2023, with 677 million Brazilian reals, Embrapii breaks record for investment in innovation in 2023. Embrapii registered a record amount in innovation projects in 2023, with 440 projects contracted with 431 companies across the country, contributing more than 3.46 billion Brazilian reals to the Brazilian industry, totaling 2,355 projects developed with 1,610 customers. It is consolidating itself as an important instrument of industrial innovation in Brazil, with a contribution of 1.2 billion Brazilian reals in non-reimbursable resources. The organization's portfolio includes more than 20 industrial types, including agribusiness, healthcare, mobility, energy, bioeconomy, and aerospace. The investment model is characterized by tripartite investment, with financial support that reaches up to one-third of the project's value. The entity has contracts with the federal government, including MCTI, MDIC, and important partnerships with BNDES and CBRI.